Hello students, we are going to see today poem number 18, Growing Up. Here are two fine poems that tell us about the changes that take place in the life of a frog and a butterfly as they are growing up. Students, you can see here two poems are there. First one Mr. Thomas Frog and another The Butterfly. We will begin with first poem, Mr. Thomas Frog. In first poem, Mr. Thomas Frog, students, you are going to learn about the changes that take place in the life of the frog while growing up. Little Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail, for little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail. Here little Tommy Tadpole. Now tadpole means what? A baby frog means small baby, and Tommy is the name of this tadpole. And little Tommy Tadpole, he began to weep and wail means he was crying. Wail means cry. And weep means shed tears means this little Tommy Tadpole, he began to cry. For little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail. Why Tommy Tadpole is crying? Because he had lost his tail. And his mother didn't know him as he wept upon a log. Now log means a piece of wood. Students, this Tommy Tadpole, he was sitting on a log and he was crying. Why he was crying? Because he has lost his tail. And he was sitting on a log and crying, but his mother didn't know him. Why? Because he wasn't Tommy Tadpole but Mr. Thomas Frog. Students, see, when frog is small, when it is baby, that time it had a tail. But when he grown up, that time he lost his tail. And same thing it has happened with this Tommy. Tommy was small that time, he was having tail. But when he grown up, that time he has lost his tail. Here Tommy and Mr. Thomas Frog. This is one only frog. Mr. Thomas Frog, when he was small, baby frog, that time his name was Tommy. And now Mr. Thomas Frog, he was sitting on a log and he is crying because he has lost his tail, means he has grown up now. And mother didn't know him. Mother didn't recognize that he is our baby because he has lost his tail. See, in this poem what is told, that Tommy Tadpole, means baby frog, he was crying because he has lost his tail. He has lost his tail means what? He has grown up now. And when he grown up, his name is what? Mr. Thomas Frog. And his mother also didn't recognize him because he has now grown up. Now we will see the next poem, The Butterfly. The fuzzy little caterpillar curled upon a leaf. Now fuzzy means what here? Covered with soft fine hair. And caterpillar means it is a insect or larva of a butterfly. How the caterpillar it is? Fuzzy means it is having soft fine hair. And it curled upon a leaf. Now curl means it move. Now students, you see on a leaf some insects are there. How they move. That moving is called curled. Now here you can see here picture is there of the caterpillar. It curled upon a leaf and made herself a chrysalis. Students, curled means to turn from a straight course. Students, on the leaf you can see some insect, they curled. Their moving is called curled. Chrysalis means a hard covering around herself, means around the caterpillar. Hard covering is one box type covering it is there, that is called chrysalis. And this caterpillar made herself a chrysalis and fell asleep. Fell asleep means sleep. Means what is told in this first stanza. See, the fuzzy little caterpillar, the insect of butterfly, it curled upon a leaf. It moved on a leaf and made herself a chrysalis. Means herself, that caterpillar make a hard covering around itself and fell asleep. Means it sleep. Means it remained in that chrysalis. Next stanza, while she was sleeping, she dreamed that she could fly. Later, when she woke up, she was a butterfly. Little imagination poet has used here. Actually, butterfly doesn't dreamed, but here it is what told. When this caterpillar, she was sleeping, that time she dreamed that what? She could fly. And really, when she woke up, that time she could fly, or he was butterfly. Means here, when caterpillar made herself chrysalis. It remained in that chrysalis as a sleeping, and afterwards it turned into the butterfly after 11 or 12 days. How butterfly grows, that is given in this poem. Now after teaching I am going to recite the poem. 18. Growing up. Mr. Thomas Frog. Little Tommy Tadpole began to whip and wail, for little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail, and his mother didn't know him as he wept upon a log, for he wasn't Tommy Tadpole but Mr. Thomas Frog. Next I am going to recite the poem The Butterfly. The fuzzy little caterpillar curled upon a leaf, made herself a chrysalis and then fell asleep. While she was sleeping, she dreamed that she could fly, and later when she woke up, she was a butterfly. Today's homework, students, you have to learn poem number 18 and you have to write one time in English notebook. And also you have to write the new words 5 times and meanings one time, and you have to learn spellings and meanings. Thank you.